everyone, welcome back to Rangers of Nether. Are you ready for which day adventure with Elang and Malio? Today, Elang and Malio are in Bandung, precisely in Taman Hutan Raya Bandung aka Tahura.
Okay.
Look what they found in the middle of city hostel. A forest can bring you to a relaxation vibes.
Ternyata ada ya tempat yang adem gini di Bandung. It's like we just discover a hidden game.
Yes, I think we will never end up in here, bro. While roaming Bandung, let's have more explore.
Let's go. Ma, look at here the view. From up here it's really beautiful.
Yeah, we really discover hidden gem in Bandung. What a beautiful view.
Oh.
Ah.
Kok ada cave in the middle forest gini ya? Beda sama cave yang aku tahu ini.
Culture banget lah nih bahasanya kayak gitu loh. It has historical value, the main attraction of Gua Belanda. In Bandung is historical value as relic of the colonial era, featuring unique architecture and fascinating stories, combined with the natural beauty of surrounding wildlife in ecosystem. And then this place is in street Insinyur Haji Juanda. Visitor can enjoy the sense of adventure and mystery of the Gua Belanda. The Gua is dark, and then it's also served as Instagrammable of people to take a picture.
Hey, this is the cave I knew, everyone. Yes, Gua Jepang stand out for history's value and unique architecture. Visitors can feel the atmosphere of the past, imagine the life of Japanese soldiers, and explore the dark tunnels and untouched original room. The surrounding naturalist forest, fresh air, and tropical. Mysterious photo spot adds to its charm.
And for the router, everyone is follow the main path. One, after you enter the main gate of Tahura Hutan Raya Insinyur Juanda in Dagopakan, and then follow the main path. After purchasing your ticket, you will find the main trail inside the forest, which is either private or well maintained. Follow this path. And this is route for everyone. First, starting from the main gate in enter main gate of the Taman Insinyur Haji Juanda, and then follow the main path. That after purchasing your ticket, you will find the main trail inside the forest, which is either paved or well maintained. Follow this path, and then reach Gua Jepang. Gua Jepang is usually closer to the main gate, about 15 and 1800 meter away. You will find the cave entrance nestled among the trees. That continue to Gua Belanda. From Gua Jepang, you can continue your journey along the trail to reach Gua Belanda, which also located nearby. And then for the additional tips for me is first the equipment. Make sure to wear comfortable footwear, especially since the path can be slightly or uphill or downhill. And then for the lighting is bring a flashlight is highly recommended if you plan to go inside the cave. to see the interior more clearly. Okay, and then for the third is the map or signage that although the main trail is clear, pay attention to the sign along the way to ensure you don't get lost. And then for the last yaitu physical condition, then even though the distance it's not too far, it's best to ensure that you are in the good physical condition before starting the journey.
Hello, Ida.
Hi, where have you two been? I've been here for so long, but never mind. I've observed the animals and plant here, but it's okay. We can explore it together. Now, everyone, this trip can be quite tired, so make sure you are physically prepared. However, the long journey is definitely worth it. As you are rewarded with a beautiful views of Taman Hutan Raya. The cool, calming scenery of the forest seems to wash away all the fatigue, and we can also see animals here. Let's go.
the cave together. Hello everyone, I'm here Maleo, wanna guard in Tahura. So here in Taman Hutan Raya, bakal dipanjangin Taman Hutan Raya. How the park managers ensure that the animal and the plants here remain safe and are not disturbed by visitor.
Baik, keamanan di sini untuk menjaga flora dan fauna. Di sini kami ada tim ya, termasuk kami juga di sini ya. Terus kami itu pengamanan aset dan kawasan. Nah untuk yang kawasan lebih dalam lagi mereka kehutanan ada yang namanya mitra pohut. Ya, yang seragamnya itu hijau-hijau seperti polisi hutan. Gitu. Nah mereka setiap saat selalu menjaga baik keamanan floranya ataupun faunanya itu dari aksi perambahan.
Okay, thank you for the answering the first question. Let's continue for the next question. Next question is, does cave at Taman Hutan Raya have its own history? And if so, what it's?
Saya awal dari gua Belanda dulu ya. Nah, kalau gua Belanda dibangun atau dibuat pada zaman penjajahan Belanda yang tadinya itu sebagai terowongan air ya. Nah, setelah itu berubah fungsi atau dijadikan untuk tempat penyiaran atau radio gitu karena radio yang ada di Malabar terbuka dari udara. Nah, untuk menjaga atau menjamin keamanannya Belanda itu berencana memindahkannya ke gua Belanda itu. Kemudian gua Belanda itu sendiri kan dijadikan sebagai tempat atau saluran untuk PLTA yang ada di Bandung. Ya, PLTA Dago Bengkok. Nah, dulunya itu mengalirnya ke sini, yang kita pijak, gitu. Tapi dirubah atau dipindah ke atas. Nah, itu mungkin ya untuk gua Belanda. Nah, kemudian untuk gua Jepang dibangun pada tahun 1942 sampai dengan 1945 pada zaman penjajahan Jepang. Itu ya tujuannya mungkin untuk pertahanan atau dan sebagai bunker mereka untuk bertahan di sini. Mungkin itu.
Okay. Thank you for answer the question. Maybe thank you for everyone. Enjoy the view and enjoy the journey. Hello everyone. Come back here. I'm Maleo. Wanna interview a visitor from Taman Hutan Raya Bandung.
My name is Alpha.
Okay. I wanna ask you. The first question is, how does it feel to be able to see animal directly in the wild and can feel the forest in the middle of city hustle?
Oh yeah, it feels amazing and refreshing. We can see the animal in the middle city.
Okay. For the next question, thank you. What do you do to not disturb or scare the animal here?
We make sure keep distance with the animal, distance safe, you know.
Oh yes,
Like-
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then thank you for answering for all my question. Back to the studio.
Wow, well, thanks to Elang and Malio. What a beautiful place to visit, everyone. The forest not only clears your mind but also offers an unforgettable experience to historical sites like Gua Belanda and Gua Jepang. As explained by the park board, from the experience of Elang and Maleo, we can also feel the cool forest and air and enjoy the beauty of nature. Okay, that's all for today's news. See you again on our next adventure. I'm Hanindira. Thank you and see you, Ranger Nature.